The swim deck drops. The water is right there. That is the whole idea. I'm Kaya with Minted Yachts. This is the Azimut Fly 82. You're anchored in clear water by 9 in the morning. The deck-to-deck platform is already open. 400 square feet of teak at sea level. Someone is in the water. Someone is setting up the paddleboard. The tender is off the stern and heading for the beach. That is what 81 feet feels like when it's built around outdoor living. 3 Volvo IPS drives get you there fast. 25 knots on cruise, 32 if you push it. The carbon hull is stiff and dry, no pounding, no spray over the foredeck. You cover distance without burning the morning. The flybridge runs the full beam, 19 feet wide up top. Room for a table, a grill, and as many people as you want around them. Below that, the cockpit connects directly to the water platform. Everything flows outside. 4 cabins below, 2 crew cabins aft. You wake up, step outside, and you're already halfway in the water. This boat is not about where you stay, it's about how much time you spend outside. Full specs, competitive comparisons, and pricing on the Azimut Fly 82 are at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya. Go find your water and let us know your thoughts in the comments.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com.